Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of unique seasonings with a product that's been making waves. Smash Seasonings Dill Pickle Popcorn Seasoning.
If you're a fan of bold flavors and crunchy snacks, this might just be your new favorite.
Stick around as we uncover what makes this seasoning stand out from the rest. Overview of Smash Seasonings Dill Pickle Popcorn Seasoning.
So, what exactly is Smash Seasonings Dill Pickle Popcorn Seasoning?
It's a blend crafted specifically for popcorn lovers who crave something beyond the ordinary.
Packed in a convenient shaker bottle, each sprinkle promises to deliver that tangy dill pickle flavor we all know and love. Made with care, this seasoning boasts quality ingredients that ensure each batch of popcorn is seasoned to perfection. It's a blend that doesn't compromise on taste or texture, making it a hit among snack enthusiasts looking to elevate their movie night or snack time experience.
While we're focusing on the dill pickle flavor today, Smash Seasonings offers a variety of other exciting options like flaming hot cheese, pizza, and classic white cheddar and butter.
Whether you prefer something spicy, cheesy, or just delightfully different, there's a flavor here to suit every craving.
Using Smash Seasonings Dill Pickle Popcorn Seasoning is as easy as popcorn itself.
Just sprinkle it on freshly popped kernels, give it a toss, and voila! You've got a snack that's not only tasty but also a conversation starter at any gathering. Each bottle comes with enough seasoning to transform numerous batches of popcorn, making it a cost-effective choice for anyone who loves to snack smartly. With prices starting at $13.99 for a 2-pack, it's an affordable indulgence that won't break the bank. Ready to try Smash Seasonings Dill Pickle Popcorn Seasoning for yourself?
You can find it conveniently on Amazon, shipped right to your door. Check out the link in the description below to get started on your flavor adventure. And that wraps up our review of Smash Seasonings Dill Pickle Popcorn Seasoning.
From its bold flavor profile to its ease of use, it's clear why this seasoning has earned its spot as a must-have for popcorn aficionados everywhere.
If you've tried it, let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make life a little more flavorful.
Until next time, happy snacking!